Hey guys, it's me Christina and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a new box for you guys which is called Fashom. This one right here. Actually, this is my third Fashom, so I'm so excited what's inside. So let's go ahead and open this box. And here's what it looks like, guys, inside. So first thing, we have this little envelope. It says hello beautiful, and this one, guys, it's a invoice, so everything, the prices, it's in here. Then next, guys, is the return prepaid envelope. This one, so if you decided to not keep them all, you can return it back to them. And here's the outfit, guys. So let's see what I got. So first item that I got, guys, is this one right here. It's a blouse and it's a black color. This one, it's called Crescent lace with spaghetti top, and I get the small size. Then this one, guys, it costs $35. Next item that I got, guys, is this one right here. It's a blouse and I really like the style in it, guys. Actually, this is the the back side, guys, and this is the front side. And this one, guys, it's called Desfios light gray Rayon jersey short sleeve top, and I get the small size. The color is light gray, and this one, guys, it costs $33. Next item that I've got, guys, is this one right here. So it's a sweater blouse, guys. I really like the color and the clothing as well, and it has a style here. And then this one, guys, it's called Skies Are Blue Floral Print V-neck top, and I get the small size. Then the color is mustard, and this one, it costs $41. Next item that I've got, guys, is this one right here. It's really beautiful, guys. I really like this style, and it has it comes with a belt, guys. And this one, it's called Renee see off shoulder button down waist tie blouse. And this one, I got the small size and the black color. And this one, guys, it costs $38. The last item that I've got, guys, is this one right here. So it's a sweater blouse, and it has a style in front, guys. I really like it, and I really love the clothing as well because it's soft and stretchable. And this one, guys, it's called Skies Are Blue Turtleneck sweater with balloon sleeves, and I got the small size and eggplant color. And this one, guys, it costs $38. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't watched my first and second Fashom clothing, I will leave the link in the description box so you can check that out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up, comment down below, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.